This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 12 Demonstration V. The video begins by exploring control structures like loops and conditionals in Java, demonstrating their use for tasks such as printing, patterns, iterating, breaking, and checking for prime numbers. It then delves into Java scoping rules, explaining the scope of variables within blocks, loops, and classes, while differentiating between class and instance variables and methods. The focus shifts to recursive programming in Java, with implementations of factorial, Fibonacci, and GCD calculations showcased, emphasizing the importance of termination conditions to avoid infinite recursion or stack overflow. Key takeaways reinforce the significance of loops and control structures for managing program flow, Java scoping rules for variable accessibility, and recursion's elegant approach to self-similar problems, mirroring iterative logic. The video concludes by highlighting the essentials of control flow, scope, and recursion in Java, underscoring their importance for writing efficient and maintainable code. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.